You need to put on your sleepers, girl. You need to put it on. You need to put it on. Because you're a beach.
I don't mind. I look jolong.
Baka doon yung ano, yung by partner, tapos dito yung singles.
Kanina pa talaga tayo meron na single lane. Kaya pa tayo may nakakasalubong.
Ay, bobo. Puro kinang nang noo ko nandito ah.
You should have bought your steak.
Yes, I will buy that soon. Because we're a vlogger for ourselves. A vlogger that doesn't want to be famous.
Yeah. Just wanna keep your face.
Yes. Pag may anak na si Nadine, tignan mo ba yung mama mo dito nagbibilang ng ano, ng lalaki dito nasa UP kami be.
Hindi mo makukuha. Ay, hindi mo maano. Hindi mo makahanap. Nasa Amerika na pala ito.
Yeah.
Ayun. Gutom na ako. Hindi na matakpan. Sakit ng paa yung buto. Ay, tayo ma. Let's go to the nearest inasal. Go to the beach. Ay,
Beach?
mag-search ka dyan sa ano, sa Waze. Kung may inasal dito.
Dude, use your phone.
Ayan.
My phone is almost battery out.
Oh, tingin-tingin mo lang yung ano. Baka daw may nakasalubong ba tayo?
Yes, it should be documented. It's still on 31%. Why is the dog in the center?
Doggy! He won't budge.
Doggy. Pag ako'y nadapa ulit, ako ang may kasalanan.
Yes.